So let's talk about trading Oracle today. So before the open, Oracle had a negative news catalyst. A former employee alleged that she was asked to cook the books during some reporting. That's not generally good for a company. I say that's a negative news catalyst because there are going to be a lot of people that sell first and ask questions later. There's an annotation of fraud there. You're first thinking negative news catalyst. Stock gaps down, stocks in play because of the news. We like to pick up trades like this after the first 45 minutes of the day, after price discovery is over, and look for a swing trade. And I want to talk about a pretty good swing trade. It brings up how you should be thinking through a trade. It brings up a really interesting example of like what we do as traders as opposed to long-term investors. And so I thought there was a really good short in this Oracle around that 10-15-ish area. Nice setup going on here between 10 o'clock and 10:30. And we've drawn a nice wedge pattern for you. This is a wedge pattern that gets us interested because there's a nice consolidation coming together of buyers and sellers, and our thought process is that there's going to be a winner from all of the people that are coming together at these prices. I want to talk about the reasons why I liked the short at this time, around 10:15 and 10:30. I want to talk about where I could add to this trade, and then I want to talk about what changed in this trade to get you out of it. So I like the fact that Oracle, when we look at this chart, has spent the entire morning below VWAP. That's a very strong check in our favor. I like the fact that the consolidation is happening below VWAP. I like the fact that consolidation is really tight and fits a intraday technical pattern, which we really like, that fits our playbook, that wedge pattern. There are ascending triangles and descending triangles that are coming together that we really like in intraday trading. I really like the fact that it really couldn't get below 38.50, and it did. It shows us, as you look at that deep red candle there, busting through there a little bit after around that 1040-ish area, which we'll circle. I like that red candle breaking below the triangle, showing us it's broken on a short-term basis. I like that deep red candle. That gives us a signal that we want to be adding to our shorts. That gives us a signal that we're probably right, along with the fact that the stock actually makes a pretty nice down move, along with the fact that the stock is holding below that 38.50. Another check in our favor was that when the stock is consolidating between 10 o'clock and 10:30, it's not going above VWAP, it's not going up very much. The market was. It was relatively weaker than the entire market. That's another check in our favor on the short side. I've got to say, the other thing we want to be looking at is our long-term charts. And if we look at our long-term charts, 38.50 was an important longer-term technical. And then I got to throw one more thing on top of that, which is we want to be in this trade, but in the back of our minds, we got to be thinking about there's been an allegation made against Oracle. Are they going to come out and defend themselves? Or is a firm going to come out, an analyst firm going to come out and defend Oracle? And when that happens, we're going to think about risk off and letting the stock go back up and rethinking perhaps a different entry. So our trade is, we love it below VWAP. We like it when it breaks below 50 cents, 38.50 to add for technical reasons and for intraday technical reasons as well. We're going to ride that down until we see that stock start to stop, and right towards the bottom, that's when you see this news catalyst come back in play, which is Oracle comes out and says it's comfortable. It's comfortable with their accounting measures that they've used in the past, so they defend themselves. Risk off, okay? So not the sexiest move, but a stock definitely worth trading today. You know, a good 60, 50 cent move depending on how you were looking at it. Certainly something you can trade with a lot of size, but a great illustration of how you think through a trade as a trader and how you rethink and cut your trade even when it's working. I hope that helps. We'll talk to you soon. Trade well. Become a member of our trading community by joining SMBU Premium. Each month, as a community, we'll work together to improve our trading
with a shared hour of learning. On our trading desk in New York City, the best traders continually grow. In fact, the best traders trade to grow. SMBU Premium is packed with 12 webinars, one a month, focused on market-specific trader training that will help you become a better trader by the end of the month. Invest in yourself. Invest in your trading. As I wrote in the playbook, tomorrow you can be better than you are today. SMBU Premium. How good can you be?